Hello friends. I am Li Bu. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Blackberry lily plants treat coughs and bronchitis very well. Blackberry lily tree, also known as the fan-shaped tree, is also a great medicine for cough. In this video, please show you how to use blackberry lily as a medicine. Science name: Bellamcandus sinensis, LDC. Distribution area: currently this plant is often used by many families as medicine and ornamental plants. We also often see blackberry lily trees in herbal medicine gardens at agencies, units, schools and hospitals. Parts used: the stems and tubers are the parts used as medicine. Processing and harvesting: in the fall and winter, people dig the whole tree, take off the leaves, cut off the roots, wash the sandy soil, soak the rice water for 1 day and night and then slice and dry to make medicine. Because the medicine is slightly poisonous, we have to soak the rice water to detoxify it. Chemical composition: researchers found in blackberry lily plants have glucoside bellamcandin, glucoside iridine. Blackberry lily tree shaped like a paper fan should be called a fan tree. Taste: blackberry lily tree has a bitter taste, welding properties, slightly toxic. Asterisk uses of blackberry lily: according to traditional medicine, blackberry lily is often used to treat diseases of the respiratory system. Here are some of the main uses of this medicine. Treatment of cough, sputum elimination. Treatment of pharyngitis, chronic bronchitis. Treatment of mumps. Treatment of breast swelling, milk clogging. Defecation is not informed. Abdominal distension, water yolk in the indigestion. Usage, dosage. Treatment of cough, sputum, treatment of breast swelling, clogged milk, incontinence, mumps. Use 10 g of dried plants to boil with 800 ml of water to drink daily. Treatment of chronic bronchitis, blackberry lily dry 5 g, boil drinking water daily. Treatment of fluid retention in the abdomen, take 20 g of freshly ground tree for drinking water, when seeing urination. My experience: I myself have used blackberry lily tree to treat cough, mumps. Very effective but must use the right dose. Best for adults to use is 10 g dry and drink water. Note: when used directly, fresh leaves should be used in low doses of 5 to 7 grams, if used can cause heat, burning in the mouth. Blackberry lily is both a medicinal plant and a beautiful flower. I think every family should plant a few trees in the house. Will bring a lot of benefits for your family. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, comment below the video. Wish you always healthy and successful.